Today I'm going to talk about the difference between mass and weight. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. It can be measured in kilograms or grams. Pounds also works. And weight is the force of gravity acting on that mass and is measured in newtons. A lot of people confuse mass and weight because on Earth, the acceleration of gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. And so mass and weight are very similar. On Earth, two objects with the same mass will also have the same weight. But if you're talking about two different masses on two different planets, sorry, the same mass on different planets. So this is Earth. Yeah, Earth. And this is the moon. Yeah, the moon. The force at which this mass gets pulled towards the Earth will be 9.8 meters per second squared. But the force at which a mass gets pulled towards the moon is 1/6 of that. About 1.6 meters per second squared. So even though these both have the same mass, say they have a mass of 2, the force of gravity, which equals mass times gravitational pull, is equal to 2 times 9.8, which equals 19.6. And on the moon, you'd have force of gravity equals 1.6 times 2. That gives you a force of gravity of 3.2. Then if you want to go from a weight back to a mass, you take your weight in newtons, so 3.2, and divide that by the acceleration of gravity, so divided by 1.6. That'll give you your mass. You do the same thing over here. 19.6 divided by 9.8 equals 2. And that's the difference between mass and weight.